Today in this video, I'm gonna explain how to hard reset Xiaomi Mi 11 5G. Hold down the power key to open the power menu. Tap on the power off option, then tap to power off to completely disable the smartphone. Press and hold the volume up plus power key for a couple of seconds. Let go of all held buttons. When recovery mode appears on the screen, choose wipe data and then wipe all data. Use the volume keys to navigate and the power up button to accept. Select confirm to begin the operation. Choose back to main menu and then select reboot. Finally select reboot to system to enable the Xiaomi Mi 11 5G. Note that all your data will be removed during the whole procedure. After the reset is complete, your phone will be completely reset back to its original state when you first purchased it. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.